let me finish the remaining problems of type 2. To better understand today's problems, please go through my previous videos. Now continue. Problem number 10. Find the value of sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 and its range is closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 is there. Now to find its value, first let y equals to sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. Now here easily, as we know, we have studied in previous classes, outside inverse trigonometric functions, inside trigonometric functions means both will get cancelled out. So what's remaining is our answer, but check it whether it is valid or not. Means this is not equal to 2 pi by 3. ये आंसर यहाँ पे वैलिड नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि so 2 pi by 3. So check it. 2 pi by 3 means its value is 120 degree. Pi means 180. So 2 into 180 upon 3 means 120 degree. Check whether this 120 degree lies between our range or not. So this 120 degree does not belongs to our range because our range is closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 is there. So that's why this is not valid here. So हमें मालूम था outside inverse trigonometric function और इनसाइड में ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन चल रहा तो ये दोनों इजीली कैंसल आउट होके रिमेनिंग जो वैल्यू रहता वही हमारा आंसर होता. बट यहाँ पे ये वैलिड नहीं हो रहा क्योंकि ये वैलिड क्यों नहीं हो रहा बोले तो हमारा रेंज में नहीं है. सो उस वक्त हम क्या करना बोले तो इसको चेंज करना. नाउ वी हैव टू चेंज इट. हमें इसको चेंज करना पड़ेगा. नाउ वी हैव टू चेंज इट. सो y इक्वल्स टू साइन इनवर्स sine pi minus pi by 3. Now pi minus pi by 3 simplify, we get 2 pi by 3. Means again further simplify, y equal to sine inverse of sine 180 minus theta, we get sine theta. Means sine theta, in place of theta here pi by 3 is there. Means sine pi by 3 because sine 180 minus theta equal to sine theta. Now further simplify, y equals to sine inverse sine get cancelled out, we get remaining value that is pi by 3. Check whether this pi by 3 belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Yes sir. So pi by 3 means 60 degree. So 60 degree belongs to minus 90 to plus 90. Means this is the required result. Pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now next problem. Same case here also we have to find out tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. Now its range is open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 is there. Means let y equals to tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4 is there. Now check whether this 3 pi by 4 belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Then only we have to cancel out tan inverse and tan. Otherwise we may not be cancelled out here. Now, so that's why this is not equal to 3 pi by 4. Now change it because 3 pi by 4 means around 135 degree. So 135 degree does not belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Means you have to change it. हमें इसको change करना पड़ेगा. Means y equals to tan inverse of tan pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4 means simplify we get same, that is 3 pi by 4. Further simplify, y equal to tan inverse of tan 180 minus theta minus tan theta. In place of theta here pi by 4 is there, means minus tan theta, that is pi by 4. Again here you have to cancel out this negative sign, means replace its value, that is tan inverse. So minus tan theta is there, means minus tan pi by 4. So replace its value, means tan minus pi by 4 its value, because tan minus theta equal to minus tan theta. Replace its value, outside अगर नेगेटिव साइन है तो माइनस टैन थीटा इक्वल्स टू टैन माइनस थीटा, और टैन माइनस थीटा इक्वल टू माइनस टैन थीटा. So here you have to cancel out this negative sign, so that's why replace its value, that is like this. Means again here you have to cancel out tan inverse tan, because inverse trigonometric function and trigonometric function both will get cancelled out. We get remaining value, that is minus pi by 4. Now check whether this minus pi by 4 lies between our interval, that is open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Yes, it is. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. Now this is belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now next problem. So next problem, that is find the value of tan of sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2 is there. Now to find its value, means this is one of the important problem for annual examination, 3 marks. Now first repeat same procedure. Take on given. So what is given here? Given, or let y is equal to tan of sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. So as we know, one property is there, that is we know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So see here, outside in trigonometric function is there, means you have to convert in the inside inverse trigonometric function. Remember, so outside trigonometric function है तो inside में inverse trigonometric function में convert करना. क्यों बोले तो trigonometric functions and inverse trigonometric functions get cancel out, वो दोनों cancel out हो जाता है. इसीलिए so already outside trigonometric function चल रहा, तो inside means bracket में हम उसको trigonometric function, sorry inverse trigonometric function में convert करना, वो भी tan inverse में convert करना. So tan inverse में convert करना बोले तो sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2 is there. So इसका तो कोई कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी भी नहीं है, फॉर्मूला भी नहीं है. So ये फॉर्मूला मालूम है. क्यों बोले तो ये फॉर्मूला क्यों यूज करना पड़ रहा है यहाँ पे बोले तो, so आउटसाइड tan फंक्शन मींस ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन है, तो इसका इनवर्स चाहिए ब्रैकेट में. So इसका इनवर्स बोले तो यही अप्लीकेबल हो सकता है यहाँ पे. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to what? Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Means here inside in this bracket you have to use this property only. But यहाँ पे देखो tan inverse x, आसानी से इसको हम tan में कन्वर्ट कर सकते. क्यों बोले तो cot reciprocal is tan is there, बट यहाँ पे साइन फंक्शन है, सो ये साइन इनवर्स फंक्शन को हम tan इनवर्स में कन्वर्ट करना, देन ओनली वी कैन यूज दिस प्रॉपर्टी. सो वेरी इजी, वी हैव स्टडीड इन प्रीवियस क्लासेस. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. नाउ टू फाइंड tan इनवर्स x, ब्रैकेट में यहाँ पे हमें tan इनवर्स चाहिए. सो इसको इसका रेसिप्रोकल ये तो हमें मिलेगा, बट इस यहाँ पे इसका रेसिप्रोकल तो tan नहीं हो सकता. सो दैट्स व्हाई टू फाइंड tan इनवर्स x वैल्यू, हमें tan का वैल्यू चाहिए. तो sin इनवर्स 3/5 इज गिवन. टेक और लेट sin इनवर्स 3/5 is equal to theta. Now this implies, now this inverse function move right hand side it become trigonometric function, that is sin theta is equal to what? 3/5. So 3/5 means this is a right angle triangle is there. Theta keep here means this is opposite side, this is base and this is hypotenuse. Means sin theta is equal to 3/5 means opposite side is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. Now to find base, so base का value find out करना है by using Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem means that is 5 square equal to 3 square plus, यहाँ पे x है बोल के लेंगे x square. Now simplify 25 equal to 9 plus x square. So finally x square equal to 25 minus 9. Then x square equal to 25 minus 9 is 16. Now this implies x equal to root 16 value is 4. x का वैल्यू मिला है यहाँ पे 4 means our base is 4 is there. So हमें tan का वैल्यू चाहिए means therefore यहाँ पे देखो tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side or base. So opposite side by base means 3/4. 3/4. Now this implies theta equals to this tan function move right hand side. It become tan inverse of 3/4. So take on called equation number 1, called equation number 2. Comparing 1 and 2. Equation number 1 and 2 को कंपेयर करो, क्या हो जाएगा? Sin equation 1 LHS is sin inverse 3/5 is there is equal to equation 2 LHS is theta is there. So in place of theta put its value, that is tan inverse 3/4. Tan inverse 3/4 means what is the value for sin inverse 3/5? So sin inverse 3/5 value is tan inverse 3/4. कहां पे क्वेश्चन में sin इनवर्स 3/5 है, वहां पे tan इनवर्स 3/4 आसानी से रख सकते हैं. मीन्स अब क्या होता देखो, गिवन trigonometric function become y equal to tan of sin inverse 3/5 become tan inverse 3/4 plus, now take its reciprocal. So cot inverse reciprocal is tan inverse. अगर cot का जगह tan लिए तो 3/2 become 2/3 होता देखो यहाँ पे 2/3. 3/2 become 2/3. Now here easily we can apply this property here, because this is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So therefore tan inverse 3/4. Now take on called equation number 1, बाद में देखेंगे उसको. So tan inverse 3/4 plus tan inverse 2/3. Now this is equal to, by using this property here, so tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to what? Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy is there. So in place of x here 3/4, in place of y here 2/3 is there. According to that property it will becomes, क्या हो जाएगा? tan inverse x plus y. So x का वैल्यू कितना है यहाँ पे? 3/4 means 3/4 plus 2/3 upon 1 minus x into y. X value is 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Now further simplify, we get, so tan inverse of, take one LCM in the numerator, 4 3 is 12 is our LCM, divide and multiply is done with LCM 12. What will get? 9 plus 8 upon 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 and 3 3 get cancelled out. So 1 minus 1 by 2. Again simplify, tan inverse of, add the numerator, 17 upon 12. Now 1 minus 1 by 2, it will become 1 by 2. Now further simplify, tan inverse of 17 by 12 keep as it is, 1 by 2, move right hand side, it become 2 by 1. 2 1s are 2 6s are 12. So now this is equal to tan inverse of 17 ones are 17 upon 6 ones are 6. So this is the value for tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 3 is equal to what? Tan inverse 17 by 6 is there. So 17 by 6 means, so equation 1 implies equation 1 implies y equals to, so tan is there, keep as it is outside tan. So what is the value for tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 3? So its value is what? Tan inverse 17 by 6. Tan inverse 17 by 6. Now y is equal to outside trigonometric function, inside inverse trigonometric functions, both will get cancelled out. We get remaining value, that is 17 by 6 is the required result, and this is belongs to our range also. Next continue. So next problems, that is same case. Find the value of cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6 and its range is closed interval 0 to pi is there. First I don't let y is equal to cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. Now here also you have to cancel out cos inverse cos, but this is not equal to 7 pi by 6, means 7 pi by 6 does not belongs to our closed interval 0 to pi. Because of that reason, so simplify, we get 210 degree. So further simplify, y equals to cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. Replace its value. It can be written in another form, pi plus pi by 6. So pi plus pi by 6. So cos 180, pi plus pi by 6 simplify, we get 7 pi by 6. Means again simplify, y equal to cos inverse, see here, cos 180 plus theta. So cos 180 plus theta equal to minus cos theta, means minus cos theta. Theta means pi by 6 here, because cos 180 plus theta equal to minus cos theta. Now again y equal to, you have to cancel out this negative sign here. So you have to cancel out this negative sign, means you have to replace its value. Again cos inverse cos 180 minus theta, we get minus cos theta, because cos pi minus theta means cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Remember here, cos 180 plus theta is equal to also minus cos theta, and cos 180 minus theta is equal to also same minus cos theta is there, both value. Now you have to cancel out this negative, means minus cos theta, theta means pi by 6 is there. Now to replace its value means cos pi minus theta you have to use here, means cos 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Then again simplify. Cos inverse cos, keep as it is there only. Cos inverse of cos, simplify in the bracket here. Take out LCM. Its denominator nothing means 1 is there. 6 1s are 6 means 6 pi minus pi upon 6. Then y equal to cos inverse of cos 6 pi minus 1 pi. Subtract, we get 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. Then y equals to cos inverse cos, get cancel out, we get that is 5 pi by 6. Now 5 pi by 6, this is belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. So this is the required result. Means 150 degree lies between. So continue next problem, that is find the value of sine inverse of sine 3 pi by 5. Now its range is closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now let y equals to sine inverse of sine 3 pi by 5. Further simplify, y equal to, so easily here you have to cancel out sine inverse sine, but 3 pi by 5 does not belongs to our range. So we have to change it. Means sine inverse of sine 180 minus 2 pi by 5. 5 pi minus 2, 3 pi by, correct. Now again simplify. Here pi minus 2 pi by 5, simplify, we get 3 pi by 5 again. Means sine inverse sine 180 minus theta, we get sine theta. Sine theta means sine in place of theta 2 pi by 5 is there, means sine 2 pi by 5, because sine 180 minus theta equal to sine theta. Then y equals to sine inverse sine get cancelled out, we get 2 pi by 5. This is belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This is the required result. Now next problem. So next problem, find the value of sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. So let y is equal to sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Then y is equal to sine function keep as it is outside, and pi by 3 also keep as it is. See here, you have to cancel out this negative sign. So by using its property here, sine inverse minus x equal to minus sine inverse x is there. Means you have to omit this negative sign, means by using its property. Sine inverse minus x equal to minus sine inverse x means minus into minus plus. That is sine inverse 1 by 2. Because sine inverse minus x equal to minus sine inverse x is there. So next again simplify, y equals to sine of pi by 3 plus Sine inverse 1 by 2. See the trigonometric table. So sine inverse 1 by 2 is equal to what? Pi by 6. Now further simplify, sine of, take on LCM in the denominator, 6 is our LCM. So divide and multiply each term with LCM 6. So what will you get? 2 pi plus pi. Then y equals to sine of 2 pi plus 1 pi, 3 pi by 6. So 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. Means y equals to sine of pi by 2. So finally y equal to sine. This is trigonometric function is there. So sine 90 degrees equal to what? 1. This is the required value of given trigonometric function. So next problem, that is find the value of tan 1 by 2 into sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square is there. Now to find its value. So same case, first take on let y is equal to tan 1 by 2 sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Now further simplify, y equal to tan 1 by 2, keep as it is there only. By using properties, sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square value is 2 tan inverse x. Already we have derived this property. Now same case plus, so cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square, by using its property is 2 tan inverse, here variable y is there, means tan inverse y. So 2 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse y is there. So again simplify, y is equal to tan 1 by 2, keep as it is. So take down common in these two terms. Which one is common is there? 2. Take down common outside. So what's remain term written in the bracket? That is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Now again, y is equal to this 2 get cancelled out. So what's remain here? Tan of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So trigonometric function outside keep as it is. So in the bracket we have to convert this term in inverse trigonometric function. So already we know tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to what? Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Direct using the property here, that is tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Then y is equal to, see here, outside trigonometric function, inside inverse trigonometric function is there. So both are get cancelled out. What's remain? That is x plus y upon 1 minus xy is the required result. Now here type 2 problems will be completed.